Welcome to my YouTube channel Career Drishti. Did the thumbnail seem familiar or the dialogue? I'm sure you all must have recognized it by now. It's from Three Idiots, and as the dialogue rightly depicts, once upon a time there existed only two careers, doctor or engineer. India, with its massive population, growing economy, is a hub for producing doctors and engineers. In 2019-20 alone, the country produced 79,000 plus MBBS doctors, 17,000 plus PG graduates, and as high as 10.7 lakh engineers in 2018-19. To support this growth, India has over 540 medical colleges and 4,300 engineering colleges. But with the changing times and advent of technology, there is a plethora of careers in travel and tourism, fashion, art and design, film scripting, digital content creators, digital artists, social media managers to choose from, which can be a blessing. With the advent of AI, it has confused students and parents even more. They have a few valid concerns. How will AI play a role in traditional careers? Will AI replace certain jobs? Will AI take away my job? And these concerns are absolutely valid. Uh, they have added to the already existing confusions for many, but not to worry. I am Purva Bhagavatkar and I am an educator with over a decade's experience in the education sector. I have taught in various schools like TGVS Rajkot, Dr. D.Y. Patil Public School in Pune, SES Gurukul, St. Peter's in Panchgani. I am also a certified career counselor and founder of the career guidance firm Career Drishti. I have helped several students and parents in choosing right career paths, recommended courses as well as colleges for their children. In my conversation with parents and students, we have quite a few discussions on AI and careers. They have several questions on the field which will be suitable and based on the psychometric tests and liking. Which specific AI career courses or tools to choose to enhance their career choices. To answer the queries to a larger audience, I will be starting a series on AI and careers. In this series on AI and careers, I will explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence and the many career opportunities that are emerging in this field. I will also introduce to you some of the most in-demand AI careers, including data scientists, AI researchers, robotics engineers, machine learning engineers, and many more. I will also talk about the skills and qualifications needed to pursue a career in AI, along with the educational pathways and resources that are available to help you get started. This series of videos will help you explore the potential applications of AI in emerging fields like content writers, animators, artists or designers, YouTubers, along with the traditional fields of healthcare, law, marketing, education, etc. Whether you're a student, a recent graduate, or a seasoned professional, the series of videos will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips, skills and abilities required for using tools like ChatGPT, Blue Willow, Canva, etc. To enhance your job profiles in the rapidly growing field of AI. So let's dive in and discover the many career opportunities that are waiting for you in this world of AI. If you want to be a part of this journey on how AI will be leveraged in different careers and want to learn how AI will benefit and enhance the already existing careers, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified as soon as I release the video. Please do like and share this video with your loved ones, colleagues and acquaintances. Post your comments on which careers you want me to post about, the impact of AI on those, and which tools can be helpful for those particular career fields. For personalized guidance, psychometric testings, self-awareness programs for small groups, individualized counseling, and detailed career guidance report, you will find the link for appointment down below in the description section. Once again, I thank you wholeheartedly for your support and I am looking forward to bringing you a more engaging and informative content through this series of videos in the future. So bye bye and have a nice day.